job, honey.
Okay. Hey guys, Lauren here, Southwest Florida Off-Leash Canine. I'm here today with 6-month-old Diesel. He is a German short-haired pointer. Diesel. Boy. Good boy. So he's a German short-haired pointer. And if you guys know anything about this breed, very, very high energy. They like a job, they need a job. But at this age, focus is something that they don't have. So that's what we'll be working with him. As you can see, he really loves this. This is sheep hide. He's really, really feeling this tug rope.
Oh, good boy.
Yes, good boy. So I've said it before, for our 2-week board and train, we get that nice generalized set of obedience. So sit, down, place, and then holding it, having patience and holding those commands. Obviously heel, leash manners. But Diesel is here for primarily that. So the leash manners for him, if he sees something he likes, he is headed toward it. The pulling is very, very heavy on my end from him. That also a little bit of recall. So these guys have, they're hunters. They've got some prey drive in there. The biggest thing though is focusing his puppy energy. So you see about how we're dealing with him right now. He's definitely got a nose on him. Anywhere that nose goes, he's following it. But we'll see where he's at day one. Almost. Oh boy. Diesel. 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 Can you sit? Diesel, sit. No, sit. Diesel, sit. Good boy. Down. Go down. Down. Face. So you guys see about where we're at. I definitely got to build a bond with this guy, make myself seem really fun to be around. So you see about where we're at. Check back in 2 weeks.